Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Cashapp account to your Navy Federal Union bank account. So if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below. And once you sign up using my link down below, we'll each get $5 instantly deposited into our accounts. So the first thing that you want to do is that once you actually sign up, you're going to reach a page that looks like this here. Go ahead and click on the upper right-hand profile icon. And then afterwards, scroll down to where you see linked banks. Now, if you don't see the words linked banks, it means that you need to link a card. It might say linked cards or linked debit cards. So go ahead and click on linked banks though, or linked card. And as you can see here, I have my debit card already linked up. And once I link my debit card, that's when it actually showed link bank. So once you link your debit card, go ahead and click on link bank. And then from here, just wait a couple seconds. So go ahead and click on continue. And then from here, this is where you should see the Navy Federal Credit Union account. So go ahead and click on Navy Federal Credit Union. And then from here, this is when you're going to log into your Navy Federal Credit Union account. So you want to make sure that you have that information ready. But moving on from here, the prompts should be pretty straightforward. You just enter in your login information and then select the account that you want linked. And then that is how you link your Cashapp account to your Navy Federal Union account. So I hope you found this video helpful. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below. And once you sign up, we'll each get $5. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.